By setting a minimum value for the maximum cable loss, we can see that our cable loss is not greater than a value that we've set as a tolerance. We again press the traces graph, go into limits, and in this case we're going to edit limits and add a second trace. Change the name by hitting add limit, we'll get a new one. Change the name, in this case to min cable loss, to indicate what's going to be happening. We'll have a maximum value. We'll use cable loss again to ensure that it's on the cable loss plots. If we had chosen return loss, it would not be available for cable loss measurements. We still use dB. We're still going to use the full range. And in this case, we're going to change the 20 to a 30 just because we believe that to be a value that can be accepted. We then go back to our measurement by pressing the menu, go to return loss, which is the measurement where we set up this cable loss trace, and we're going to turn on the min cable loss at the same time that we have the max cable loss on. Pressing the field of the graph, we move back, and then looking, we see the min cable loss is indeed failing, and it's failing at a -20. The red area indicates a fail, the green area a pass. You can see from the max cable loss it's a downward facing arrow, meaning it's a minimum limit line, and the min cable loss is an upward facing arrow indicating a max value is being measured. By using these two traces we can bound the specific value. Unfortunately we chose a value that fails, so we're going to go back in and edit the limit known as minimum cable loss. We could edit either one, but in this case minimum cable loss instead of -30 is going to be -20. Again, each of these things is quick and easy to change. We go back to our return loss measurement, hit the screen, and we see now that both are green and pass. So we're bounded by a max cable loss of 36 and a min cable loss of 20.73. Again, this is an arbitrary case for the OSL calibration load. A more meaningful measurement would be made with a cable length and a short circuit placed at the end of it.